I have this cat house here. It's a size large. They also sell extra large. It is very stable. The cat could play on top of the roof. Nice waterproof material. You can put it in the garage, the patio. Perfect for my outdoor cats. Very easy to clean. Just get a brush to scrub the surface. Here's a patch. You can put it on top of the roof. Here's the door. Here's the window. Got a plastic cover too. The cat can go through the window. 2 windows, 1 on each side. Very easy to assemble. Here are some strong Velcro sides that can just stick together. Remember to put the mat down before you close it all up. The cushion, one side is cooling waterproof material and the other side is a plush material that keeps the cat warm for the winter. It's machine washable. Pretty cool. Here's the roof. You can take this out for the cat to go through the roof. Super easy to take it apart and pack it. It does not take a lot of space. Super easy to travel with. This is a pretty nice cat house. I recommend it.